Or no? Alright. Hey, we're doing another one. We got 2 fridges here. This and these 2 Littlest Pet Shop. I'm gonna do this one second. I'm gonna do this one first. This is a sweet kitchen set. Here's the back, front, side with the stuff you can get. Yeah. And here's the name at the top. And then the sweet home. I like that. Let's see what we get. When I open it, it's cute when I have, there's a see on this side of some other stuff. That's crazy. Didn't notice that. Whoopsie. I think that's like a magnet. Yeah. Alright, let me move some of these stuff that you can see. I think this is the some cartons I think you can make for your things. Here's the things. I'm just gonna put it down. Sorry. And here is the refrigerator. That's neat. And you can actually get one of these things out. That's crazy. Alright, so my mom were fixing it. So here's the front. I put the magnet on. Nothing here, but oopsie. It kind of fell out, but it's alright. I'll fix it. It kind of looks like that. Yeah, it mix up sometimes. And you can actually put it on your fridge because of the magnet. So you can have like a mini fridge on your fridge. Kind of like this, but on your regular fridge. So yeah, I'm gonna do this last because it might take forever. So I'm just gonna do these ones next, then this one after, and this one last. Alright. And this one is a small Littlest Pet Shop, and there's you get like an animal and a card. So here's the back of all these animals you can have, like a mouse, a koala, a horse, or a dog, or seahorse. See which ones we get. Sometimes it struggles. Alright. Got the animal. And get the card and the thing. First the animal. Then I'll show you the thing. Oh, some kind of meat. Like some kind of steak. Pretending. And let's see what type of... We got a female lioness, I think. Yeah, I think we do. Because the meat, it belongs to the animal. No, like that. And here she is. I think I'll give her a name. How about I name her Nala? And here is the card of her. And yes, I'm gonna name her Nala from the movie The Lion King, because it's cute that way. And here's the collector's guide. If it works right. Whoa. So Here's a lot on this side. There's a lot. And a lot on the other side. Yes, so many. So cool. So the things on this card, like says happiness level 2 in the paw print, it's actually like it's like personality level and party. She has a paw print, and that is a EXOTIC level 2 is her level, and her personality is happiness. So that's why I named her Nala from the movie. It's cute. Put this over here. And we're gonna add some more, a friend of hers. So we got another one. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hope we get this one because my mom loves seahorses and a turtle. Because I love seahorses too. And this is series 4. Let's see what type of animal we got inside of here. A friend for Nala, the lion. Got the animal. Is that the thing? I think that's the thing. I'm gonna check if there's, oh, actually not just one, a thing, and a second one. We got 2 animals and a thing. So I didn't mean to mix up the back, but I'll tell you what they are. So first the animals. On this first animal we have my mom's favorite, a seahorse. I think we got the seahorse and turtle one. I guess she loves them. Put this on the side and put the seahorse right next to Nala. I'm gonna name the seahorse Pearl. Pearl the seahorse. And for this cute animal, the sea turtle. So we got Pearl the seahorse. Well, I'm gonna name him. How about Mr. Shell? Mr. Shell and Pearl. Friends forever. With a friend of Nala. Nala, Pearl, and Mr. Turtle. No, Mr. Shell, I mean. And for their thing they have is a cute tiny little boba drink because my mom loves boba teas. And we have, that was a watermelon, sorry. Tiny. Here's the tiny watermelon that my mom can show you. And here is the surfboard for Mr. Shelly or Pearl to use for the waves. I think it's kind of like this. I'm gonna use Mr. Turtle, Mr. Shelly. It's kind of like this, kind of like stick. Woo! So I'm gonna put Mr. Shelly on his thing, and now for this card for them as Nala level 2, and that's her thing. For Pearl, the sea turtle, no, the seahorse. I think there's another one for Mr. Turtle, but I don't see one. Sorry, but I think I need to find one. There's the same thing again. I need to find the Mr. Turtle's thing. Card with Pearl. Alright. On for this one, because this is the last one anyway. Willy Wonka in a Chocolate Factory. It actually is from the movie, but it's also from those dolls at Walmart. So here's the front, side, bottom, and the top. And this is what they are in the back. It's one of these workers. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. See which one we get. Oh, it smells so good. I think it's the one has scented. I sent one. This one smells like, I don't know I forgot what he smells like. So that's what he is. He's the blueberry fizz one. Actually, scent plush. They're actually scent plushes. So he has a fizzy drink in his drink. Blueberry fizz. I think he smells like blueberry, I think, because of the scent. If you smell like the Wonka bar, it smells like chocolate. The golden ticket, something. And this one, I don't know yet. We'll see which one, what they smell like, if we get them or not. And for the last one, the big fridge. It's kind of like the mini one, but the mini one's small, but this one is bigger. Look, they're big. This one is way bigger. Is that crazy or what? Small to big. So here's the front side of it, the other side, and here is the back of like the fridge that looks like. I don't want to use this, so I think I see a thing up here. Sorry, my mom had to help me open it, so that's what it looks up in the front, side, top, bottom, and here's the back. I think there's something here. Wait a minute. I think it lights up, I think. And here's like things. There's some drawers. Oh, it actually lights up from the bottom. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, did you see that? That is neat. I didn't notice that. So let's just close this up. Let's get this thing on the side. Actually, here's a thing you can actually that shows you. But I'm just gonna get our things. Our first bag. Our first bag is of tiny things, like a tiny drink that is a strawberry vanilla drink. So tiny. I love it. Here, I'll move these things. And I think we have another soda pop. No, not soda pop. We got a little thing. Anything? Nope. Okay. Our second one. That's weird. Another thing. We got like a gelatin thing. A thing that goes over something. Oh, actually, you can actually make a jello thing. I didn't notice. So, anything in here? Nope. Alright, let's open this tiny thing. Sorry, here's all the things for it. All the stuff Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you and bye and good night.